What's up, guys? It's December 29th, 2023. It was the last trading day of the year. Lots of range compared to yesterday. Yesterday was like, I think 10, 11 points. Today we saw a breakout very early in the day, and yeah, the Bears were pretty much in control. Oh no, my mouse is giving out on me. I gotta get a new mouse this weekend. Yeah, the Bears sold for about 40 points. A really good day. Nice way to end the year. I hope you guys capitalize on some of these moves. There's a breakout, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. And even the Bulls I think it was a really good day if you can count legs. Let me turn on the bar number. So, bar 1, it opens up on yesterday's low support and last week's high. I noticed a little bit later in the day how last week's high was a pretty good magnet for, it got tagged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, and then even within that, like, there was multiple candles on it. It looked like last week's high was a good magnet for the market. Bar 1 is a bull bar. Bar 2, 3, and 4. Bars 2 and 3 are good follow through, and bar 4 is kind of the first bear bar under the EMA. The first 6 bars were a little bit deceiving today because I got a bull flag ish impression. However, we're not really breaking bearish market structure, so this could be a bear flag double top. For this to be truly bullish, we would have to be above the EMA, breaking out of bearish market structure. So yeah, the Bears, that's the first 6 bars of the day. It was more bullish, but we were under the EMA, so it's the context of the bull bars. This could be bears betting on short and buying back their positions at market open. We don't really know, but this bar 1 is a bull bar. By bar 8, there's a double top here under the EMA. And yesterday was a pretty tight range, but you can see towards the end of the day, the bears started getting bigger legs. Double tops here, new highs sold off quickly. The price action was getting really tight, like it's a tight channel. Both ways there's no consecutive bull bars is what I'm trying to say, no consecutive bear bars. The last couple of bars of the day were big. And then bar 13 is the breakout. The breakout was really strong. I pretty much set the scalp a couple times because I was uncertain if this was a true breakout or a vacuum test and we'd go back into a range bound environment. I got short on bar 14 because that's follow through. I got out on 16, got short on 20, got out on 22. I waited for the long side because that would be 3 legs. So I really wanted to point that out, how this is a good breakout because it has follow through. Where yesterday there was really no follow through at new lows. It was more climactic price action. See, really bad follow through at lows. And mouse is making it so I can't draw. I gotta change this. Really bad follow through. Today we can see the first sign of follow through, so I think it's a good short for a few points. And leg 1 to leg 2 measurement did work from the top here, there. I got out on this bar because it was starting to race and it was the end of leg 2. I wasn't sure if this was going to be the beginning of a leg 3 and then that, so I just got out. But the leg 1, leg 2 move was met on bar 24. The market's moving really fast, and this is leg 1, leg 2. It's safer to get out the markets rather than trade leg 3s, 4s, and 5s because those tend to be more range-bound trades. And this one did have a leg 3, but it was pretty tough to, yeah, you could probably make about 10 points. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, then micro, leg 4. The reversal comes in. I didn't really trade this because I wanted to see bearish market structure broken. I actually was waiting a long time to re-short the EMA for a new low of the day, but I had to switch what I was thinking because the bearish market structure was broken pretty strongly, and this looks like a break and retest to me. So now the market's trying to get higher. The next PT for the for the bulls would be above here. And yeah, I got long here, scalped out a little bit, got long here, scalped out. Because I was kind of shaky on holding my trades because of yesterday was turning around on me, so I was just trying to take as much as I could. I had a pretty good day today, one of my better days. Yeah, so here are the bull leg 1, leg 2s, and we can see the break of the market structure. So break, a bearish market structure, break and retest, and a new high. So the market's always in long. I think the market's always in long here. However, I think it would be reasonable if you saw a bear bar to get short. I'm sure people tried to short bar 40 thinking like that, but this was already four legs down. leg 3 is climactic, leg 4 is climactic. This bar is a range bar, not really a trend bar. Leg 1, leg 2. The reason I rebought this so I counted leg 1, leg 2 on purpose because this is a leg 1, leg 2. However, we broke out of the EMA and breaking bearish market structure, so I reset the count in my head. Leg 1, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4. I got long for leg 2. That's why I started to scalp around here, because this is a leg 3, leg 4 late in a channel, and it ultimately did fail. Bulls did not get the close above the previous bearish market structure. Well, I mean, they kind of did, but they didn't keep closing. They got like one close. They got two closes. I'm looking at this candle, 72, 69, and then they sold off. They tested it again with bar 78. Trying to be done trading around these bars. So yeah, it was a pretty good day. I caught the majority of the easier moves. I caught the breakout, leg 1, leg 2. I chilled out, caught leg 1. This is a leg 2 and leg 3-ish. I got long here, and I got pinged out at break even, because as soon as I got long, it went in my favor. I just put my stop at break even because I was expecting more of this than more of that. So yeah, really good day. I'm pretty glad the year ended not too bad. Yesterday I got shredded to pieces. There's a funny story on I'll talk about it. I'm going to try and post an account update this weekend, because I'm definitely gunning for a 10K a month by the end of next year. So it's not like I'm going to hit the month January 10K, but by this time next year, exactly 1 year from today, I definitely plan on making 10K a year. So I'm going to share that. And it's really, I think it's repeatable. If you guys trade on prop firm accounts, I think it's definitely repeatable. I'll show you how I did the math, and you guys can think about how you can do that in your own way, because there's money to be made. Bigger time frame, we are starting to sell. That wedge top is forming. I'm going to go ahead and delete the leg 1, leg 2 move, because I don't think that's valid right now. Leg 1, leg 2, I don't know why I repeated myself, but that's okay. So okay, we have a leg 1, leg 2 this way. Wedge top, maybe we get a third push like that, and the market sells sometime next year. The bear bars are getting better. The bull bars are getting weaker above the EMA. They're getting less orderly. This is a nice steady fashion. It's getting a little more hectic for the bulls. Yeah, I want to do I always forget to update my charts here, and I want to update them with you guys. So this is last week's high. Let me line that up on the hourly chart. Lock it in. Last week's low. Oh no, that's a 50%. This is last week's low. Wow, it was a pretty tight week, honestly. I'm looking, okay, so yeah, around there. And then we just pull 50%. I changed my fibs a little bit because I wanted to see what is 1R easier. Okay. Wow, that was pretty much spot on. Oh wait, I didn't pull the lock it in. Okay, that's 1R right there. Pretty close-ish. Though the price is a little different. Alright, whatever. We're just gonna run with it. Don't want to spend too much time doing this. You guys get the idea anyways. I just wanted to do it once or twice so you guys see what I'm doing. Then I save it and I apply it to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that later. You guys get the idea. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I hope no one was doing drinking and driving. You guys partied. It's a fresh year. You can drop all last year. If you guys had a losing day today, it's in the past already. A losing day on Friday, it's in the past. Happy New Year's. Start the year strong. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.